Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the all-new Samsung Galaxy A26 5G. This smartphone is Samsung's latest addition to the A series for 2024, and it's already turning heads as one of the most affordable 5G options on the market. Let's start with the design. Samsung has crafted a sleek, lightweight design that feels great in the hand, offering a modern look with a large 6.4-inch HD+ display. The colors are vibrant, and the display is bright enough for both indoor and outdoor use, which is a pleasant surprise at this price point. Performance-wise, the Galaxy A26 5G is powered by a MediaTek processor paired with 4 GB of RAM, making it great for daily tasks like social media, video streaming, and even some light gaming. Plus, with 64 GB of storage that's expandable with a microSD card, you have plenty of space for apps, photos, and files. Now, on to the camera. Samsung has equipped the Galaxy A26 5G with a dual camera setup, featuring a 50MP main lens that produces sharp, colorful photos, especially in good lighting. There's also a 2MP depth sensor for portrait shots, which does a decent job of capturing background blur for that professional look. The 8MP front camera also delivers good selfies, making this phone a solid choice for social media lovers. Battery life is another strong point of the Galaxy A26. With a 5000 mAh battery, this phone easily lasts a full day of moderate to heavy use, and it supports 15W charging, which isn't the fastest but gets the job done. So, is the Samsung Galaxy A26 5G worth it? If you're looking for an affordable 5G phone that still offers solid performance, a nice display, and a decent camera, this could be a great choice for 2024. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.